Hi everyone, I am Nuri Flores and I'm excited to share with you the results of my summer work experience program. Over the past 2 months, I've been immersed in a fascinating research project that involves prayer restoration strategies. Through a partnership between UCCE San Benito and Pinnacles National Park, we have been working on a study to boost the establishment of native grassland plants, reduce invasive summer mustard, and create a better habitat for special status species. The study was on the eastern side of Pinnacles National Park, where 10 random blocks, each with 3 plots, were established. These plots received one treatment each: graze, ungraze, or seasonally grazed, and were also subject to various treatments including seeding, seeding plus mowing, as well as a control with no treatment. One aspect we explore is the plant height within the study area. We assessed how different treatments influence plant height and found out that mowing and mowing plus seeding reduce plant height. We also investigated the effects of treatments on summer mustard cover. In here, we discovered that cattle grazing, whether throughout the year or seasonally, significantly reduce summer mustard cover. We further examined the plant's community's composition. Interestingly, seeding and mowing demonstrated positive effects on native species presence. Aside from the study, I also had the chance to spend a day with Pinnacles National Park Condor team, which amazing job has helped in the Californian condor conservation. In conclusion, the preliminary results of the study emphasize the importance of considering different management strategies to enhance ecosystem health and support biodiversity. From seeding to cattle grazing, every aspect is interconnected and can help in habitat restoration. I am thankful for this opportunity, where I got to learn new statistical methods that enrich my capabilities. Moreover, I met amazing researchers that are committed to the preservation and restoration of our planet. I am excited to keep on contributing to the conservation of ecosystems in the world.